Okay, okay. Hi, everybody. Oh, gosh. This is Adrian. He's 2 months, almost 3. And we're going to try these balloons on his legs and see if he likes it. We're supposed to make them stop crying, Adrian. We're supposed to make them, have a little fun. Let me... A ver, mira. Adrian. Ay, Adrian. Do you like it? Oh. This is not really working, huh? Okay, it's a fail. Okay. No. Okay. So, as you guys can see, he didn't like it. So, I guess we'll try something else. Do you want to try something else? You want to say hi to the camera? You want to say hi to the camera? Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Can you see yourself? Who is that little crybaby? Why are you crying? Ah, ya te vistes en la cámara. Ay, estás chulo. Estás chulo, ya te vistes en la cámara. Sí, qué chulo bebé. ¿Qué tiene mi bebé? ¿Por qué llora? ¿No te gustaron los globos? ¿No te gustaron los globos, papitos? Okay, we'll say bye. Bye. So after he calmed down, we redid it again, and this is how it went. He was just shocked.